they think it got down to, I forget the number of thousands of people, but thousands of people left on Earth. And they trace that back to this particular supervolcano explosion that I think was 70,000 years ago.
Wow.
Yeah, 70,000 years ago. Toba eruption, been associated with a genetic bottleneck in human evolution about 70,000 years ago. It's hypothesized that the eruption resulted in a severe reduction in the size of the total human population due to the effects of the eruption and on the global climate. According to the genetic bottleneck theory, between 50,000 and 100,000 years ago, human populations decreased by 3,000 to 10,000, decreased to 3,000 to 10,000 surviving individuals. So there was as little as 3,000. That's the low number of humans on Earth because of this eruption. So literally like a good-sized theater where like I would do a show.
That's crazy.
3,000 people. Those are the people that live. That's it. For the whole Earth.
Yeah, because we aren't super adapted to the cold, really.
All 3,000 can be like, it's not split 50-50 male to female. And
right, yeah.
You know,
who knows?
breeding.
I mean, probably mostly men survived. It's supported by some genetic evidence suggesting that modern humans are descended from a very small population of between 1,000 and 10,000 breeding pairs that existed about 70,000 years ago. That is fucking kooky. So there was a 10-year volcanic winter triggered by the eruption. Could have largely destroyed the food sources of humans and caused severe reduction in population sizes. These environmental changes may have generated population bottlenecks in many species, including hominids. This in turn may have accelerated differentiation from within the smaller human population. Therefore, the genetic differences among modern humans may represent changes within the last 70,000 years rather than the gradual differentiation over hundreds of thousands of years. Wow. Imagine if like only the dummies lived and we had to start from scratch.
Yeah.
No wheel, no nothing.
Nothing.
No flint tools. Just morons. Just the dumbest of fucking humans.
Statistically, that's what will happen.
Yeah. Well, that's probably what does happen to human populations. Is probably some sort of a collapse and then a rebuild, but not everywhere. I think there's always going to be a part that gets spared, except supervolcanoes. It seems that and asteroid impacts. Those are biggies.
Yeah.
That's start from scratch and roaches rule.